Welcome everyone to HFN, also known as HueFin News. Today is September the 2nd, 2020. This is going to be our Tesla price prediction update after the stock split, which occurred on August the 31st, 2020. And we need to update you all on our price chart. We need to revamp it, reorganize the layout so we can get a better understanding after the split as to what this trap is going to do with the value of Tesla stock. Now, if this is your first time watching our video, you guys see how simplistic our price chart look, how easy we are speaking in regards to what to expect going forward in the stock market. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification, and then join us on Instagram and on our website, HueFinancial.com, in order to see more of our forecasts. We want to make sure you all stay updated, because one of the things that many technical analysts, those who use technical analysis, they are not able to give you a forecast as to where they expect the market to go. But for us, we're here to give you just that. We're here to give you all advance notice as to what the price chart is exhibiting and what it is signaling to us as to what to expect. So we're going to talk about that momentarily for Tesla. And the last video we did for Tesla was all the way back on August the 10th, 2020. Now, I wanted to show you back around August the 10th where the market in Tesla was trading. So the market in Tesla back around August the 10th was trading around $1,700 per share, right? Around that particular time, we were expecting this particular market in Tesla to go a little bit lower. But on this trend, you guys can see that the market in Tesla, when we were doing our video back then, it was in the uptrend. It was in a substantial, massive uptrend in the space. But now you can see that we're trading around $480 per share now. That's because of the split. So all of this we need to eliminate and get rid of, because the market is definitely not trading there again. So let's get rid of this. Let's get rid of this line here too. And we're going to come right back down to where the market is currently being traded. And you can see there was a lot of euphoria when the market in Tesla split. Massive up move into the space. I mean, the market was up 12.5% yesterday alone. Or 2 days ago, excuse me. And yesterday, profit taking is going on into the market. Just realize that. Okay. Now, it's not substantial, but there has been market participation selling around this $500 level in Tesla stock. It is what it is. You will do the same thing. Now you can see quite easily that the market in Tesla is still in a uptrend, right? Pretty good uptrend. I mean, the slope of this trend is relatively strong in Tesla. Very strong. Looking at the market in Tesla from a weekly perspective being around $500, you guys can even see here that we still cannot gauge where the next area of restriction is going to be. We have nowhere in the background of this chart that we can utilize to show how high the market can go prior to more selling entering the space. So we still got to be on guard, because we have no safe haven, no place to actually dispel where we can actually gauge selling, not in the background. So keep that in mind as we see this market in Tesla go forward. And then not only that, we have 2 more months. I mean, back here, October 26th, 27th, the market is anticipating to reveal its earnings in Tesla. Definitely want to make sure you watch that, because the trap, he will utilize that event to make a change in market sentiment, whether it's continuation moving higher or a bigger trend to the downside. And that's towards the election, on top of market uncertainty in its space. Just wanted to put that out there for you all to think about. Okay. So right now, current week, still seeing some indications of some weakness coming to the market in Tesla. Not a surprise because, when you look at it from the split, we've been in a pretty good uptrend. Let's take a look at Tesla on the 4-hour chart to try to see how weak the market really is. And actually, we might have to play this on the 4-hour chart so we can get a better feel as to how the trap is feeling, whether he's feeling bullish or whether he's feeling bearish. Because currently the market in Tesla is bearish when you look at it on an hourly. So just relax. I'm just saying that the market looks weak on the hourly time frames. Okay. The market, even in Tesla, you can see on the 3-hour chart, found restriction at $500. Okay. Support is at $470. So there's about $30 difference in Tesla between support and restriction. Currently, looking at the price bars and the volume, the weakness is overpowering the strength on the hourly time frames. Okay. So this ascending line that we got drawn on our chart, it is in jeopardy of being broken to the downside. And the majority of these hourly time frames, you guys can still see that the weakness is present. Until we see Tesla break $500, the anticipation is for the market in Tesla to trade within that $30 range that I just told you between support and restriction, or even continuous movement to the downside in price. Now just relax. I'm not saying that the market in Tesla is going to crash, but the market is not strong neither. Okay. So looking at Tesla on an hourly time frame, the 1-hour price chart, like I said, 470 is support. So that's like another 1% market move from where the market closed yesterday, or about 2.35% ultimately to where we can see the market still bounce and hold that ascending trend. Okay. So we are going to place some weakness into the market in Tesla, but I'm not going to put too much weakness on it just yet, but we can still feel and see the market weakness in Tesla come through. Okay. Our TP is going to be, initially we will skim off a little bit around 470 because I told you already that is support, that the trap already established that area for support. So you be ignorant not to skim off a little bit at that support area. But then the next one I can see is around 465 too, which will be another 2.29%. But all in all, we're just going to play a little bit of weakness on the hourly time frame in Tesla. That's it. Okay. Not too much, not too little. And then in the future, we'll see if the trap is able to maintain this ascending line. And if so, it's going to be positive. If not, the week is going to continue as what we're forecasting right now. So now, what's your premise? What's your prediction in Tesla? Where do you see the market going? We're going to play this on the 4-hour chart just to get a better feel in the long term. So once we come back and do our other video for Tesla, it should be a little bit better in the sense of daily, weekly, and monthly time frame as to what we're expecting. Now, give us your prediction in Tesla. Leave us your TP and where you see the market going over the next couple of weeks. Questions, comments, let us know. Make sure you maintain that profitability, and I'll talk to you all on the next one.